you have to learn the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Along with that, you have to practice to draw both the parts of animal cell and the plant cell. Now the parameters I am telling, along with that you minutely observe the difference between animal cell and the plant cell. This is the diagram of animal cell, this one is the diagram of plant cell. First parameter is cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell, it is absent in animal cell. Centrosome, present in animal cell, it is absent in the plant cell. Vacuole, big large vacuole is present in plant cell, small vacuoles are present in animal cell. Plastid, present in the plant cell, blood plastid is absent in animal cell. Lysosomes, present in animal cell but the absent in plant cell. Stored food in the form of glucose is stored within the animal cell in the or glucose or glycogen, but in the form of starch or polysaccharide it is stored within the plant cell. The cytoplasm is of the entirely cell of animal cell is very dense than the animal cell. The Golgi body is highly elaborate. Golgi body is present in animal cell, but simple unit of Golgi body is present in plant cell, and the nucleus, both the cases nucleus is present. You have to learn the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First difference is very important. In case of prokaryotic cells, means primitive type of cell, the nucleus is not well defined. So all the four parts of the nucleus are not present in prokaryotic cell, and they are minutely differentiated in case of eukaryotic cell, except that the rest of the points also whatever mentioned here you have to learn along with the examples, at least 2 or 3 examples of eukaryotic and the prokaryotic cells you have to learn. Now this is your assignment work. Make 3 columns. First column you will write down part of the cell. Second column main characters, at least 2 characters you have to mention. Next the chief functions, at least 2 functions you have to write. Now left side I have written all 13 points, so you have to write all 13 points one after another. Cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosome, lysosome, centrosome, plastid, nucleus, vacuoles and the granules. So all these things names will be in the left column. 2 characters of each you will write down in the middle column. 2 chief functions of each you will write down in the rightmost column. Another assignment work, what you will do, you will draw and label the following diagrams. All the diagrams I have drawn when I explained the chapter before. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5, all 5 parts where I explained the chapter, there I have drawn the diagram. From there you will draw and label mitochondria, nucleus, animal cell as a whole and plant cell as a whole in the wide pages. Whatever pages are there at home you can utilize and keep it properly. After when you are getting your classwork copy, you can paste all those classworks or the assignment works whatever given here.